Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief introduction to Lucid Equipment. We call this How We Do It and How They Do It. There are 5 main types of competition: OEMs, auction houses, brokers, dealers, and online classifieds like .med. OEMs and auction houses are discussed on this page. We're sure you're familiar with how OEMs operate. They offer trade-in prices, which are typically low wholesale. Auction houses remove equipment from site, auction to the highest wholesale bidder, and retain 40% of the sale. Whenever possible, Lucid markets the equipment on a worldwide basis from the site to retail customers, and then transparently takes a commission from the accepted offer. Here are 2 other forms of competition: brokers and dealers. Brokers make a market amongst dealers. They take the highest offer from dealers and develop an offer to the seller from that. Often the offer is 60 to 70% of the wholesale dealer offer. Occasionally, dealers buy equipment for themselves. When that happens, they buy equipment at near trade-in value for the purposes of resale. When they do not have a customer, they essentially become a broker and market to other dealers. Lucid does not buy your equipment at wholesale or sub-wholesale prices. Lucid transparently represents you in the best possible sale of your equipment. The last form of competition is online classifieds. Online classifieds are basic descriptions of available equipment. Typically, the information provided is minimal, precluding any opportunity to sell at a retail level. Online classified companies do not consign equipment, nor do they provide for or aid the seller in creating complete equipment listings or marketing campaigns. How Lucid is different. If you need space, Lucid will consign your equipment at no charge. Although consignment is not necessary, it does ensure a complete, robust equipment description and marketing campaign. Lucid is also different than online classifieds in that we will come to your site and/or walk a seller through the entire equipment listing process. This is an actual example of a competitor's marketing efforts. This is better than average, as the seller does list tube statistics. This competitor lists the slice and tube count for the CT machine. We will show you how we market the very same piece of equipment over the next 2 slides. This is how equipment is displayed on our website. We use the internet to reach buyers across the world. As you can see, we work hard to make buying easy for anyone. All questions are answered here. We have mileage statistics. We have 20+ images. Downloadable service history reports are available. We have all software details. We describe egress. We have lined up available financing solutions and have done the same for service solutions. We even have a video of the machine functioning, as you will see on the next slide. We take the risk out of buying so we attract buyers that can spend more money, including retail level buyers. We transparently pass the increased revenue on to you. Here is the aforementioned video. The end of this video is not the end of this presentation. This is one of the ways we market your equipment. Here's how we do it. Stage 1. A hospital or seller will give us complete equipment information, and we process that information at Lucid into web-based and email marketing campaigns. We take that information and market to hospitals, clinics, veterinarians, and the like, both domestically and in foreign countries around the world. When we make a sale, the heavy percentage of the retail sale goes back to the hospital. This is how we do it. Stage 2. This is what happens if we cannot sell the item to an end user. We try to sell to retail level buyers whenever possible, but if we cannot, the process is similar. The hospital gives us complete equipment information. We process that information at Lucid and use it to create web-based marketing and email campaigns. We chase the email campaigns with phone programs. We market to medical equipment dealers worldwide, where some dealer is often willing to pay closer to a retail price because they have a waiting customer. When a sale is completed, the heavy percentage of the highest wholesale offer is returned to the seller. Regardless of whether Lucid sells your equipment to a retail or high wholesale buyer, the process is always completely transparent. This is how auction houses do it. Auction houses physically remove the equipment from the site and take it to a warehouse. From there, they use live, timed, in-person, and web-based auctions to market to medical equipment dealers. When a sale is made, 60% of the unknown wholesale sales return to the seller. Buyers are almost never able to inspect a machine or view it working. This is the main reason auction houses cannot sell at a retail level. It is also the reason they can only sell at low-level wholesale prices. Buyers feel the risk in buying unproven, untested equipment. This is how brokers and dealers do it. Brokers and dealers take partial equipment information and use email and phone-based campaigns to market to other brokers and dealers. When a sale is made, 60 to 100% of the wholesale sales return back to the seller. The only time a seller collects 100% of a wholesale offer is when a sale is made to a dealer that is an end user waiting for equipment. If the dealer does not have a waiting customer, they behave like a broker and market the equipment to other dealers, resulting in a sub-wholesale offer to the seller. This is how online classifieds do it. Online classifieds are almost efficient. They do a good job of using the internet to spread information. What they do not do is show a seller exactly what information is needed to make a sale, so buyers are at the mercy of a seller's market knowledge, which is almost always weak. How to operate, how to repair, and how to sell a machine are all very different things. Do you know to include shot counts with lasers or tube slice counts with CT machines? It is unlikely that a hospital employee will be able to create a quality information package without guidance. Online classified companies also do not consign equipment or produce complete marketing campaigns. Online classified companies make their money from subscriptions, not from commissions. They are driven to find more subscriptions. It is not that they do not want a seller to make a sale, it is that they make their money in a different way, and they do not need to be hands-on. How OEMs do it. The trade. The OEM offers a low to average wholesale value with the intent of deducting that amount from the sale price of new equipment. This is like selling to a single buyer who knows there is no competition for the purchase. Since the OEM is purchasing the old machine in trade, the OEM correctly perceives there is no competition for the sale of new equipment. Although they doctor the transaction with a discount, that discount is much smaller than it would be in a competitive environment. Lucid is a modern business model, light on our feet, efficient, dynamic, transparent, and fair, with no upfront costs or fees. Thank you for watching. Please give us a call and let us help you make more money on your equipment transactions. Lucid Equipment, the right way to sell, the right place to buy.